Go ahead and use the template, but do not let the template use you. This is where exactly the secret lies. Do not go ahead and crazy over templates. All he had learned so far was the grammar. He couldn't give me a fluid response. This morning, I had a very interesting call. Max. He is an excellent French learner. He's been learning French since 6 months and he has done all sorts of grammar. And his grammar was actually close to perfect. When I met him, I was really impressed by his skill. And when I asked Max, okay, Max, since you have done A1, A2, and B1 from some institute, I asked him, okay, can you just give me a small brief présentation? He did deliver an excellent présentation. And I was impressed. Now I asked him the next question, which was technically a follow-up question. Okay, so why do you want to live in Canada? And guess what? He couldn't give me a fluid response here. The reason was not that he wasn't prepared or he got stuck or he was nervous, because he did deliver the présentation to me very nicely. The reason was very simple, that all he had learned so far was the grammar, and second thing was a templated version. Now here's the thing, guys. Templates are not wrong. They are important because they are essential part of our preparation. The template version is something helps us to give a head start. But it is seriously important to know where to stop. Because the moment examiner will ask you any follow-up question, be it TEF Canada, Section A, Section B, Speaking, TCF Canada, Task 2, Task 3, Monologue, they will know that it is the one what you respond to. Is it templated version or is it something your own fluidity that is coming out? So it was not actually Max's fault that he couldn't respond to me. What is it that was needed here? That we speak whatever we have done so far with confidence. Typically, we all have a fear of just speaking something which is perfect. The trainer or the coach are sitting in front of us is going to correct us, and that correction and that feedback, something takes us 2 steps back and we feel uncomfortable, and we honestly feel that might just shatter my confidence. Here's the thing, guys. If your coach, if your trainer will not interrupt you, will not correct you, will not give you the feedback, a constructive feedback, guess what? Your examiner, when you're going to file in the exam, will not give you any sort of feedback. And the only sheet, the only feedback that you're going to get at the end of the day is your result, which might be disappointing. Because on that day, on that particular exam day, you're going to realize, oh my God, I'm just thinking everything in English, or I'm just thinking everything in native, and I'm not speaking. So the solution here is speak and prepare yourself for the day of the exam. Just imagine a situation when you're sitting in front of the examiner and examiner is going to ask you multiple sorts of basic questions related to your scripts maybe. How do you plan to respond to them? What is your strategy? What is the connector? What is the advanced grammar that you plan to confidently execute? This is where exactly the secret lies. That you have to go ahead and deliver your content confidently and realistically, lastly, with a smile. This is all you need to clear the TEF and TCF Canada exam with a CLB7. Subscribe to the channel, comment if you like the video, and do not go ahead and crazy over templates. They are important, but to an extent. That means, last but not the least, go ahead and use the template, but do not let the template use you. They are meant for you, and you're not meant for them. Mind it.